Alright guys, well for those of you who probably wonder what I've been doing, what I'm up to here, I'm going to vacuum up the floor because it's pretty dirty. So, we go ahead here and get the Dirt Devil Endura Reach turned on and get it moving. We'll go ahead here and get the cord off of it, first off. So you can roll it on out to the front room area. Works pretty good guys, so you don't really turn it on. You want here you go. I want to give you guys some content. You will never forget who subscribers ever. I will always make videos for you guys and update you on what's going on and how life is going. So far it's not bad, you know. Guys, I gotta say this vacuum's doing a really good job on keeping the floor clean. That's it. Here, guys. I know we're stuck on. Basically, this cord we're gonna go ahead and we're not gonna use that cord, guys. That's not gonna be sufficient. So we're going to use one of my other white cords, which is going to be the longer cord, guys. A 12-foot indoor cord meant for indoor things. So, we're going to go back to what we had going on before, guys. So, here we go. Here we go, here we go. We're going to make it happen, guys. Here we go. We got it. And we got a better solution, guys. But this bad mama right here does a good job on my clothes. This thing does a nice job, guys. It collapsible wash machine. Really does. So, we're going to go ahead and hook this bad boy up. We're going to run it with this guy, guys. We're going to use the white lightning cord, guys. I think I can easily make this work, guys, with how I have it set up in here. So guys, give me just a minute here. I'm gonna go ahead here and plug that in. Just a minute, guys. I'm going to plug this in here. I apologize if you're looking at clothes on the couch that are sitting around. The ignition coils go on, and the plug wires are. Alright, guys, here we go. Alright guys, my vacuum got it. When you get off the tile, they ain't going to be able to pick up anything on the tile. back the carpet over here, though. But guys, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and vacuum up this floor real nice with it, and I'll clean it. Got a little belt stuck in it, but it's all a piece of cloth stuff that I got out there. You over there, guys, I adjusted my belt. Last I had to pull my pants over to slide down. Snoopy doesn't want to, stand that. You want me to go, I'm going to fix it. Talking. It is free to subscribe, guys. It ain't gonna cost you nothing. I know that you guys are a little gun shy for that, but that's alright. You know, I'm not gonna. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go on and sit down and relax for a minute. Finish up this vacuum video, guys. Guys, I gotta say thank you to each and every one of you guys. I really appreciate your support. 574 subscribers, guys. Let's go. Let's get to 1,000. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. We will get there together. We will achieve my goal of 1,000 subs or more. And there will be daily content for all of you, I promise. I will not stop producing videos or any good stuff you guys want to see. Just let me know. I can provide what you want. Just let me know, guys. Guys, to be honest with you, honestly, the more love and support you show, the more I will be able to do for all of you guys. I just have to wait till I start getting. Right now, I'm doing this on my own. You know, I'm not having no help from anything or anybody. I'm just making videos off my own, guys. You know, no companies are saying, "Hey, test our product. Tell us what you think, Stoop." You know, I'm not getting all that, guys. Everything I'm doing is on my own. Everything I get is out of my own pocket. Nothing is given to me, guys. I earn my way the whole way along, guys. You know, no one gives me nothing. I have to scratch my way to the top for it, guys. And guys, I'm probably gonna be buying a new e-bike anyways. The IRC3, it's a bit of a disappointment right now for me. Really, it is. I want to talk about it too, and it's the latch broke on it, guys. So I have to wait for that thing to be getting done fixed. Right now, it's in line to probably be repaired. I don't know, guys, what's happening with that. You need just a minute here to finish up this cord. I apologize. You guys have to wait a little while here. Give me some time to finish up this cord affair here. It works pretty good too, guys. It all balances out with the vacuum. You know, you have to put it in a certain way to make it stay put and clipped and all that, guys. So. What was that? On the towel, I think. Is that what it is? Towel or something. Hey, it's a bag. It's a towel bag. All right, guys. So, in the whole gist of it, guys, I'm going to be producing content for everyone. I'm not going to stop, guys, by any means. So you're not going to see lack of content or any of that. There will be a full whole day of videos. You know, I'll probably be, if I have an indoor week for a week, like whatever coming up, I probably will be doing a lot of videos, guys, a lot more. Because as I look at guys, daylight becomes shorter. So I'm gonna have other videos I'll be producing, guys. Don't worry, there'll be more to come. Hope you enjoyed the Dirt Delt Endura Reach. It did a great job, guys. It really cleaned up well. I mean, I had no problems with getting the hair off of the little, you know, the little bottom plastic grill. It does great, guys. It runs good. It's really quiet. It's not that loud. And guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace for the next one. Thank you for all your love and support, guys. Tell your friends to hit the subscribe button. It's free. You'll be notified every time I upload.